Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use split screen mode on Android device. Since Android devices have different interfaces depending on manufacturer, you might notice that the steps for using split screen view are slightly different on your device. However, the instructions should work for most Androids. But for me, I don't have split screens, but I do have the other one, the floating windows. So on your home screen, tap the recent app buttons. On some phones, it's represented by 3 vertical lanes, while others, it's a rounded square and can be located at the bottom left or right of the corner of the screen. So press it. So in recent apps, here in my phone, I will press the floating windows. And I will choose which app will be the one who is floating. For example, this one. And here, it's already seen. So, the Play Store is already on floating window. And let's open another app. For example, this one. So, now, it separates the screen view and I can drag the floating screen while using the other application in the same time. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!